this video, we are going to see how we can make a direct sales of finished goods in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 25th of January, which says sold shirts to Mr. James Carter, which is a new customer on credit. It doesn't show us anything that it's converted from order or anything. So maybe because this customer has already made an arrangement of a fixed supply, let's say every week, every month. So we don't need the order for that. So every time we don't need to follow a complete cycle. We don't need to create the quotation, then order, then invoice. We can directly enter the sales invoice as well. So it's on credit and it is against a new customer. Let's see how we can enter this. First of all, to book the sales invoice, we can head over directly to the accounting and click on customers and click on invoices. Here we just click on new. Since it is a new customer, I'll just copy the name, paste it here. Invoice date is 25th of January. And the due date is, let's say, after 30 days. Let's add the products. Since this is a product based invoice, let's add the product and the quantity. It's shirts. It goes under the product sales and we are selling 500 units. Our price is 400 for each. Let's make it 400. Just confirm the total once before saving. 200,000 is the total, all set. Just click on the journal items to see the overall result. The product sales is credit while the account receivable is debit. Click on confirm. Okay, we need to enter the customer name again. It's James Carter. Okay, we want to create a new one. Click on create and edit. And basically we just save it from here. All right, it's saved to draft. Let me just show you one thing. If you go to the invoices, it's saved as draft right here. Before saving, let's go to the reporting and click on profit and loss account. As you can see, the cost of revenue is shown here as 30,000. So when we click on the invoices, this should post the cost of goods sold as well. So let's open this, click on confirm. And now let's click on profit and loss account. And it is still on 30,000. Why? Because we have a problem with the settings. So that's not a problem. Whenever you try this, you just select this again, or let's say we open this, reset this to draft. And what we can do is just head over to the inventory module and make some settings. Go to the products and we are selling shirts, right? So click on the shirts, click on this finished goods category. In the internal link, we might need to make some changes. So the expenses should go in cost of goods sold. Click on save. And now if we go back to the invoices and select Mr. James Carter, click on confirm. Now it's again from draft, it's posted. Go to the reporting, click on profit and loss account. And now you see that it is affecting the cost of goods sold. So I'm showing you just an example of all the transactions for our project. You can do the same and you need to find out that whether, let's say that we converted the sales order to sales invoice at that time, if it is not affecting the cost of goods sold, it's your project to edit that particular item and configure it in the right way and make sure that it is shown in the cost of goods sold. So this is just for the sake of example that we are doing all of these transactions, and this is how you can make all the corrections. So just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.